Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today is Saturday, and on Monday we're gonna be in another lockdown once again. So another big project is coming up, which is gonna be the spoiler for the car. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow to buy the foam and stuff. But also tomorrow we're gonna have another car meet before the lockdown, and I'm gonna start with cleaning my car because it has a lot of shit on it and it's really dirty and dusty. So I'll just clean the car up, and tomorrow we're gonna go to the car meet and buy some foam and tape in order to make general shape of the spoiler, and that's gonna be a really artistic and cool project to do. Any case, Wolfie is done. It's looking beautiful. And I did a little touch here. The exhaust, I painted it black. So now the car looks even cleaner. Cleaned the interior a bit, hoovered it and stuff. Looking lovely, guys. Okay, we're ready for tomorrow's shoot. We'll go with the J-Spot and hope we're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna make a lot of nice shots and show you a lot of interesting cars in Cyprus. Hey guys, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is the day of the meet. And before we get there, alright, so Wolfie is nice and clean. I mean, not clean, but no interior, stripped out. Pure metal. Miss this look, really miss that. This is the end for the car meet. Now me and James maybe go to the super home to get some body filler and fiberglass in order to do the spoiler finally for the Wolfie. Because it's gonna be 2 weeks of lockdown, what to do at home, you do your car. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright guys, so we are at the super home.
Super Home Center sponsor us. We buy all of our stuff from your shop.
Yeah guys, please, like, buy me another BMW.
Construction foam is this expanding stuff.
45 liters? That should be enough to do
This
anything.
is foam.
So super home actually has fiberglass and fiberglass glue. So
And sheets. Alexei's gonna end up buying the whole stock. I don't know how big these are. They said 0.5 meters square.
So that's not a lot at all. It's nothing. So I need all of it.
And it's €5 per piece.
I don't think we can get something now.
No, we would have to go to like a paint shop, and it's Sunday.
No, it's closed. So,
So yeah.
and we'll have lockdown tomorrow. So
You want all four?
yeah, man. I mean, it's
Okay. And what did he say? And the putty. Like now, like this, I know it. I don't know what we're doing here now. Like this, it's a hardener and a putty, glass fiber filled.
no.
I
It's
feel
just
like
if
you
you
need
make
a
a hole.
resin. Don't you need
Yeah,
a
you need a
resin?
glue, something like water, liquid. Guys, anyone help? So James found resin, which we will need to use in order to make the fiberglass harden because it's actually really soft if you touch it. Okay, we're making production. I'm feeling excited about this project for 2 weeks.
Good luck. That's all I'm going to say.
Shopping went a bit wrong. We bought almost everything from the Superhome. So
There is officially no fiberglass left in the Super Home
Yeah.
Center.
anyway, guys, 48 years later, we need to make a fucking spoiler, and we have to make it really good because this is a lot of money. It's still cheaper than spoiler, which I could buy, but idea I have does not exist generally on the market. So that's gonna be for next vlog. So see you later, guys, and have a great week.